afternoon, guys. Welcome to Ram's tutorial. So today's Friday, so we have first year lesson in grade 6 about the similar fraction. Tingnan nyo guys, as you have seen, the similar fraction. First, okay, nakikita nyo po ba? Okay, very good. Okay, we have first here. I'm going to discuss about how to solve adding dissimilar fraction. Actually, dito yung mga bata na confused about how to solve adding dissimilar fraction. First, in adding dissimilar fraction, so nakikita nyo po, okay, ganito. So first, we are going to get the LCD of 5 and 11. Kung nakikita nyo guys, ito po, 5 and 11. So we get the LCD of 5 and 11 of the first fraction, then second fraction. The first fraction is 4/5 plus 9/11. The next step, guys, so you're going to multiply the numerator, okay, of the first fractions, okay, because the LCD of 5 and 11 is 55. Simply we're going to multiply 5 times 11. Right, 5 times 11, so the answer is 55. I'm going to write, we have, okay, 55. Next step, we have, you're going to multiply, or you're going to divide rather, 55 divide 5, like this. Okay, you divide first the LCD, or the least common denominator, of 5 and 11 for the first fraction. 55 divide 11 is, what is the answer? Okay, we have 11. Let us see first here. 11. Then, 11 next step is we're going to multiply to the numerator, which is 4. You do not have to add. All you have to do is to multiply right after division. Next step is the result, which is 11. You're going to multiply to the numerator, which is 4. So next, guys, 11 times 44 is 44. Let us write first, and I will show you. Okay, ito na po yung result natin ngayon is 44 over 55 for the first fraction of 4/5. Next is we're going to divide 55 divide 11. Yun po yung sunod po na gagawin para po makukuha po ang tamang sagot for adding unlike fractions, or unlike fraction, dissimilar fraction, guys, is same term po yon. Okay? Do not be confused. Kadalasan mga grade 6 po or yung mga bata din na mga lower than grade, kailangan po ma-discuss po sa kanila thoroughly how to solve adding dissimilar fraction or unlike fraction. Okay, so we have first the result is 5. When you divide 55 like that, 55 divide what we call 11 is 5. Then multiply 9 times 5. The answer is 45. Skip counting by 5 to get 45. Now, i-solve ko na po siya dito po. Okay, next thing to do, pwede ninyo i-rewrite then the result here. Okay. Ito na po yun. I'm going to encircle. Yun na po yung result ko po. We have 44 and 55 and 45 over 55. Next, ipa-finalize na po natin yung sagot po natin. We're going to add numerator to numerator, which is 44 plus 45. Then, the denominator we have to do is to copy that one. Kokopyahin na lang po natin siya. I-rewrite na lang po natin. No need to add the denominator. Okay, so from the similar fraction, nagiging similar fraction na po siya. As you have seen, guys, like that. Okay, so now, ipa-plus ko na po. I will say you later. So we have first here, so 4 plus 5, guys, we have 9. So 4 plus 4, we have 8. Just correct me if I am mistake. So I'm going to write 55. Okay, the result is, yan, 89 over 55. Ito, guys, pwede po natin ma-simplify. Kapag sabi ni teacher na, you're going to simplify your answer, we can simplify this one. Okay? By how? Okay, I'll show you first because 89 is greater than denominator, which is 55. So this is what we call improper fractions. So when we say improper fraction means the denominator is greater than numerator rather greater than denominator. So we are going to divide numerator to denominator to simplify our answers. Okay, so try to follow, guys. So ano po yung ano natin at tamang procedure po. 59 divide 55 like that. So gumawa po ako ng division what we called symbols. Sorry guys, sorry. How about ko? Yeah, like that. So we're going to continue first dividing our divisor, which is 55 to 89. So we're going to think how many 55 to 89. So first here. So 1 kasi there are only 155 to 89 kasi kapag ito po natin 2 times 5, 10 is 0. So mali na po yun, guys. So 1. So we're going to multiply 1 times 55. So can you imagine, guys, that 89 divided to 55 is 1. So we're going to subtract. Next step after division is we're going to write the what we call the quotient like that position. So next is we're going to multiply. The next step is we're going to multiply. Yan. Yun po yung tamang process on how to divide to simplify our answer. Chair, bakit po addition of fraction lang? Bakit ang dami pong procedure? Kasi this is the right procedure po para mas simplified po natin yung answer po natin. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin iisipin po, pipigain po natin yung pinakatamang sagot po, or what we call we need to simplify that rather. Okay. There we go. Subtract ko na to, guys, ha. So 9 minus 5, so of course 9, so we less 5, so absolutely the answer is 4. Next, 8 minus 5, you have to think that 8 less 5, so ang natira po is 3. Okay? So the result is 34. Ngayon, guys, si 34 po pwede pa natin i-divide kay 55. The right answer is not. Hindi po pwede, cannot be. So we're going to, our answer now is mixed number. So we're going to rewrite 1 is our whole number. Next, the remainder, which is 34, magiging ano na po siya, guys. Magiging parang, siya na po yung what we called our, so yung whole number 1, sulat ko na po siya. Then sa 34, magiging numerator. Yung remainder natin becomes numerator and our divisor. 55 magiging denominator. So our final quotient, or final answer po natin, guys, this one, 1 and 34, 55. Okay? Nasundan niyo po ako, guys. Okay. Unang-una, okay, yung given problem po natin is 4/5 plus 9/11. So nakita po natin, as we have seen, that 5 and 11 is different po. So that is unlike fraction. So to solve, we give a proper solution in solving 5 and 11. So first, you are going to get first the LCD, or the least common denominator, guys. So you have to think first, ano po ang pwede kay 9 at saka kay 11? Okay? So right after that, sunod-sunod na yun, guys. Dire-diretso po para makuha niyo po ang tamang sagot. I hope you learned our lesson today, Friday vlog, okay, and solving what we call having dissimilar fractions. So mamaya, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo, ito na yung ginagawa ko. Inhanda ko na sa client ko para sa sagutan niya po, yung grade 6 client ko po. Hope you understand, and please comment the link below kung ano pa yung gusto niyo ipapasolve sa akin for math. Okay, don't forget to subscribe kapag bago pa kayo sa channel ko. Don't forget to subscribe Rami Militante, my YouTube channel. That's my tutorial vlog. See you again next vlog. Bye, guys!